Hello and welcome back to the channel. Who is ready to rigs, flicks, and relax? Well, I hope you are, because I am not. In fact, I have something pretty thrilling and quite honestly scary to do today. And we're doing it to celebrate 10,000 subscribers. It's our way to say thank you. Let's get to it. But before we begin, we publish theme park videos on this channel all the time. So hit that subscribe button and that bell notification button so you'll know when another video is ready for you to view. Now, to celebrate this 10,000 sub milestone, we are not at Universal, we are not at Disney, we are at the magical Midway Thrill Park on International Drive. It's the tourist strip not too far from Universal. And I'll leave a link to the website for this below. It'll give you all the pricing and everything. Now, there are several things to do here, but we are here for one reason and one reason only, and that's to celebrate 10,000 subs by going on this slingshot. Okay guys, so I have Courtney with me here today, and the reason why she's with me is because my original plan to celebrate 10,000 subs was kind of the opposite of what we're going to do today. But in order to do that activity, Courtney has to be 18 and she's only 17 3/4. But don't worry, we're gonna save that celebration for another day. Maybe when we hit like 15 or 20,000 subs, then we'll do that. We're gonna keep it a surprise, but you can probably figure out what it is. If it's the opposite of slinging away from the earth, you know, what's that gonna be? How do you feel about this slingshot today?
Once I saw it, I got really nervous. I was fine in the car ride here. Once I saw it, I was like, oh my god.
Right, because when we pulled up, they did like a little test shot, and we saw it shoot up. Basically, think of like Dr. Doom's Fearfall, like, but souped up 100 times, right? Well, Court, I think that is enough talk. I fancy myself a man of action. Let's go hop on this sucker right now. Straight down, Court! Oh my god, we're rotating!
Oh my god, we're gonna do this again.
Oh wow! I can't believe that. Oh, we gotta get Mommy on this. We gotta get Nikki on this.
She would not do that. She would not do that.
Oh shit, that would drive her crazy. That was awesome. Oh my god, that was awesome.
Amazing.
And then the part when we started coming straight down, we were looking like at the ground.
Looking down. Oh my god.
Oh wow, that was awesome.
We're gonna have to ride that again. Oh yeah.
Woo! Oh my goodness. Yeah, we'll come back tonight.
Yeah.
Okay, there we are. We just got out of the slingshot. What did you think, Courtney?
That was freaking amazing. That was crazy.
That was so much fun. I was really scared at the beginning.
Oh, I was too. Like, you'll see me in the video, I was like shaking my fingers. I was like, my heart was beating. Oh my god.
It was amazing. We want to do it again. I think we're going to come back tonight. So we've got the POV footage from the ride itself. We bought that package, and I'll leave information in the links below about all the packages and the costs and stuff. But we get to come back tonight, and we go again for $10 a piece. So I think we'll do that and get the nighttime views. But oh my gosh, compare this to Dr. Doom.
Oh, I don't even think it's comparable.
To me, what I was not expecting was, you know, the shoot up was amazing, and then we were coming down face first. We were looking directly at the ground, coming at us. Yeah. Which is kind of like, you know, parachuting a little bit, skydiving. So, and then we went up again as we're bouncing, right, and we rotated. We spun around. So we're looking at the ground, we're looking at the sky, we're looking at the ground, we're looking at the sky. Whew, but that was an excellent way to celebrate 10,000 subscribers. Again, I'd like to thank all of you for subscribing. We really appreciate that. And this is the type of stuff we do to celebrate.
So stick around for more.
Raise your hands if you want us to come back tonight and have a nighttime view of this slingshot. 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's a lot of hands. We're coming back tonight for a nighttime view. Okay guys, we are back by your vote to do some nighttime shots of this slingshot. But before we do that, I want to give you guys a little channel update. Since we are plus 10,000 now, here's what we have planned. We're still going to do the 2 videos a week, one on Sunday and usually one on Wednesday. Now I do have the goal. The goal is to get a 3rd video out a week for Fridays.
Right.
But I've been a little bit hampered in that department, but that is the goal for 2019, get up to 3 videos a week. So what you need to do, make sure you have that bell notification button clicked. That way you'll be notified when I do put up videos, just in case I start doing that 3rd Friday video. And quite honestly, clicking that bell notification button is a very good way and an easy way to support the channel. The other ways are that, you know, we do have a Patreon page and we do have a Ko-fi page, and we have links to that below. But what really helps us is that bell notification button. That way you watch the videos and that makes YouTube happy. They love it when we get views. That way they put us in front of more eyeballs and the channel continues to grow. And with that being said, let's go ahead, let's just get straight to this nighttime slingshot. Nikki, are you up for it?
No, that's why Courtney did it with you.
Yeah, we've already been home and Nikki has seen the footage.
Yes, and I was like, oh my god, that's so awesome. I gotta film it from a distance at night for you guys. So I got off of work and I rushed over really fast to come get it for you guys.
Yep, so let's head over there and let's go ahead and do it. Have some fun.
Look at
Okay, no more rotating. Yeah, no more rotating. Just enjoy the view now.
Yeah, look at that. Woo. Oh my god.
That was awesome. This is awesome. This is so much fun, guys. Thank you, 10,000 subscribers. Want to take a turn?
That's crazy. No way.
We got Nikki to agree to go on. There she is right there. She's buckling in. We convinced her this is worth it. Plus we got a deal. We got her on for $10, so she couldn't pass up this deal. How you feeling, Nikki? It's happening now. They don't mess around. It's quick.
not have like a pretty scared face. That was incredible.
Yeah, don't you want to go again?
No! Oh my god. I did it! Are you shocked I did it? Alright, it was awesome!
Okay, here she comes. Come here, Nikki. On my left, on my left. I know you're gonna complain about the lighting. I'll fix it. I'll fix it in post.
Yeah, God, I look like an old lady.
I'll fix it in post. Well, there you go. You did it.
I did it.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you. I was not planning to do it at all. 100%.
Well, I know because like Dr. Doom's Fear Fall makes you nervous.
Yeah, I hate it. It's not my favorite.
How is this compared to Fear Fall?
About 100 times like more intense. It was fantastic though. Oh my God. Universal needs to get one of these. It's crazy. Like it's such an adrenaline rush. Like I mean, my heart is still like beating crazy.
Well, Courtney and I went in the day and at the night. I like it better at night.
Yeah, at night it was incredible.
Yeah.
I went 3 times. Woo!
She's a veteran. She's a pro. She's a daredevil. Our crazy child.
Yeah, no, it was incredible. It was like the sunset was just absolutely beautiful, like amber and like
all the lights and everything.
It's gorgeous.
Yeah.
So yeah, do it at night or right at sunset. It's perfect.
So very cool. So thank you guys for 10,000.
Yes, thank
you.
you.
We appreciate all of you. And with that being said,
don't miss the magic. Don't miss the fun.
Thanks for watching Rick's Flicks. And now it's time to relax.